Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing the top coding practices that every engineer must follow to become a better software developer. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, these practices can help you write better code, be more efficient, and ultimately, produce high-quality software. The first coding practice is the DRY principle, which stands for Don't Repeat Yourself. The goal of this principle is to write code that is easy to maintain, understand, and reuse. When you write code, it's important to avoid duplicating code snippets, and instead, abstract common functionality into reusable components or functions. The second coding practice is writing modular code. Modular code is code that is broken down into smaller, independent pieces. This makes your code more manageable, scalable, and easier to test. When you write modular code, you should aim to create components that can be used across different parts of your codebase. The third coding practice is writing comments in your code. Comments are an essential part of writing clear, maintainable code. They help others understand what your code is doing, and they can also serve as documentation for future reference. When you write comments, be sure to write them in a way that is easy to understand and is descriptive of the code they accompany. The fourth coding practice is writing clean code. Clean code is code that is easy to read and understand. It is organized, concise, and well documented. When you write clean code, you make it easier for others to understand and maintain your code, which can save time and resources in the long run. The fifth coding practice is debugging and testing your code. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors in your code. Testing is the process of ensuring that your code works as expected. Both of these practices are essential for producing high-quality software. When you debug and test your code, be sure to do it thoroughly and systematically to ensure that your code is working correctly. The sixth coding practice is documenting your code. Documentation is an essential part of writing maintainable code. It provides information on how your code works, what it does, and how it should be used. When you document your code, be sure to write it in a way that is easy to understand, and that includes examples of how to use your code. The seventh coding practice is collaborating with others. Collaboration is essential for producing high-quality software. When you collaborate with others, you can bring different perspectives, skills, and ideas to the table, which can result in better code and more efficient development. The eighth and final coding practice is continuously improving your skills. As a software developer, it is important to stay up to date with the latest technologies, practices, and trends. When you continuously improve your skills, you can write better code, be more productive, and ultimately, produce higher quality software. In conclusion, these are the top coding practices that every engineer must follow. By following these practices, you can write better code, be more efficient, and ultimately, produce high quality software. Remember, these practices are not set in stone, and you should always be open to new ideas and ways of doing things. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then please subscribe my channel and like and share the video. Thank you.